3. Hello, everyone. We are Team 42 of MaxFlow, and our application is stockexpert.io. This is a website that allows users to track their stock portfolios and create watch lists of stock they're interested in and want to track and monitor. Provides users with access to real-time market data, graphical representations of stock trends, and historical data along with news articles. Here you can see a live demo of how Antonio is basically quickly navigating and going through the login and register, but I'll explain more about the project itself. This is a comprehensive and user-friendly website that allows users to make informed investment decisions and to stay up to date with latest news and trends. This platform also allows users to play around with the sentiment analysis model that scores news of recent stocks to basically be more informed about their decisions. The key functionality of this project overall is displaying of stock data, having sentiment analysis of latest stocks news, allowing users to track portfolios and watch lists, and basically a good form of authentication along with it. After putting in your credentials, you can quickly log in, and here you can see Professor Marius's dashboard. It's a very simple, clean UI where you have two sides, the latest news and latest trends. The latest trends basically showing you all the important holistic information about the stocks. You can obviously toggle between time, toggle between the graph types, and obviously different type of news, stocks or indices. Same and the holds true for the latest news. This is a collaboration of multiple news sources around the world for stocks around the world from major sources like Reuters, New York Post, etc. Moving on to the news section, I'll hand it over to Xingyu.
So this is the news section of our web app. As you can see on the left, we have a user interactive plot that displays all the major indices. As by default, it displays NASDAQ, but we could change it to S&P 500 in this case. And on the right, we have the latest news component where we can navigate through all the news articles, and we can navigate it through the forward and back buttons. We can also click on read more to navigate to the link. Going back, I'll hand it to Antonio.
Now let's say Professor Marius makes some investments in Microsoft. He bought 10 shares at a buying price of $30. He adds this stock to his portfolio and it will show up. Let's say he also added Amazon at 30 shares at $100. He'll be able to see these stocks in his portfolio and navigate using the search bar. Now the watch list is very similar, but this is for stocks Professor Marius wants to keep an eye on. He doesn't need to input any purchase information. Let's say he wants to keep an eye on Apple. And let's say he also wants to keep an eye on Tesla. Once these stocks are added to the watch list, they'll also show up in the dashboard for easy access, and they can be clicked to be navigated to the stock page. Before we go to that, one of the issues we faced while implementing the app is first we had a multi-page implementation where we had a page for each of these single screens, but we transferred it to a single page app to be more efficient and to be more efficient with these shared components like the top bar. Now moving on to the stock page.
And this is where Professor Marius will do his in-depth research on a specific stock like Apple. First, we have the latest trends widgets, which has the latest price changes and an interactive graph for historical trends using the trading views widgets. Then, we also have expert review, which provides a summary of the company in a short paragraph. Then, we have the latest news section, which are the latest news related to Apple. If we click on the pill, it will also bring you to the news page where you can read more. Lastly, we have the killer feature of the website, the sentiment analysis, which congregates all news data and sends it to a Hugging Face model to calculate a sentiment score for that stock at this current time. And yeah, that finishes up the walkthrough of our website. In conclusion, unlike conventional stocks information websites, our website is easy to navigate, where information is presented in a way that are logical and concise. It simplifies the process of investment research using the latest natural language processing technology to generate sentiment analysis, making everyone a true expert in the stock market today. Yeah, thank you for watching that video, and bye-bye.